Yan, good morning everyone, magandang umaga po. Welcome to the Daily Grind. Yesterday, walang market sa PSEI, but last Monday, sobrang bagsak ng PSEI. Market update natin, sobrang pula. So gap down, if you see, grabbing gap down, and then we closed at around 7187 for PSEI. We're still expecting for this to drop today. Bakit? Sobrang pula ng market last night. Grabe, duguan ang market. Let's check out the watch list. Makita nyo po, halos pulahan lahat. Facebook, 1.97. Google dropped 2.33%. Apple dropped 3.39%. Sobrang laki ng mga drop na mga yan. So, that's very bearish market for us. So, what are we gonna do in this kind of market? Yan pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Alright? So, sa PSE, if you wanna check PSE, all stocks, yan, yung mga blue chips natin, nasa pula lahat, thus pulling the market on the red. Yun yung sinabi natin. Last Monday's episode, we talked about gold rising up, right? Gold reached around 1,000, or almost 1,800, right? I mean, 1,700. So, that was a very big climb for gold. That was an indicator na there should be a drop in the markets, and there it is. So, sa international market, sunod-sunod na ang pag-drop sa international market. Let me open the charts for NSDQ. So, si Nasdaq 100, if makita nyo po, so massive drops for how many days already. So, tapos na ang trend ni Nasdaq, na-break na yung uptrend niya. We are already seeing, we have a line right here. So, palitan natin to thicker one, yellow. So, the uptrend line was here, and it's already broken. The uptrend is already broken since last week. So, we're expecting a downtrend of the stocks on the next coming days. So, yan. Pag-usapan natin anong gagawin natin sa market, alright? Before we go to that, punta muna tayo sa mga comments ninyo. If you have any questions, if ever meron kayong gustong episode in the future, please post it in the comments para mapag-usapan po natin. Right. Marims, good morning po, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Ann Reyes, good morning, Sir Lloyd, and everyone. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pa-check up po ako ng ISM, yung Facebook account ni Arfi, not found man. Alright, so yung Facebook account ni Arfi, we talked about it. Nag-pause muna siya. Na-overwhelmed siya. Right? This is his first time to create a public page. And then, may mga conflicts of interest, etc. So, he closed his Facebook page for the meantime. So, hindi niya muna inopen. So, we talked about it. I talked to him about it. Sabi ko sa niya, ganyan talaga. If once you start to go public, there will be people who will go against you. You will not be able to please everyone. Right? So, yan. Medyo nanibago siya going to public. Right? So, don't worry, RFA is still good. If you want to check out his portfolio, si Gold kasi nang pullback last, was that yesterday? Yeah. Yung isang gabi. Si Gold, no, not Google, Gold. And si Gold nang pullback, eto malaking pula, right? So, we're expecting the drop. RFA reached around almost 900 2 days ago. And then ngayon, he closed at 750%. So that's still massive for just the month of February. So imagine if you have 1 million, naging 8 million ang pera mo sa amount nito, almost 8 million. Okay? So if you have 100,000, naging 800,000 yung pera mo. So this is a very, very big climb for RFA. Okay? So, congrats to RFA. If you want to know how RFA is doing it, it's a bullish market, and they were able to capitalize on the bullish market sila RFA. So, makita nyo po dyan paano nila kinapitalize yan. Joseph Tanael, good morning. Hops, sir, dapat po ba lumabas muna sa lahat ng positions? Alright, so Hops, very good question. Yan yung pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Dapat ba lumabas sa lahat ng mga positions? Michael Cemento, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Raul Jordan, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning din. Edgar Galang, good morning. Kaya pala nakapula. Hindi daw nga, no? Nakapula rin pala ako. Hindi ko napansin. Edgar Galang, last watching ko na to ng live ng Daily Grind. Need na ulit magtrabaho overseas. See you in 8 months, Sir Lloyd. Thank you sa guide from Edgar Galang. You're welcome po. While you are away, there is still a way to earn. Mag-copy trading po kayo. Huwag niyo po sasayangin yung 8 months na hindi kayo kumikita. Alright, the people that you're copying, yung mga taong magagaling sa copy trade, sa trading, they still earn even in this kind of market. I want you to go to since last daily grind muna to for the next 8 months. Edgar Galang, I want you to go for those conservative traders na nagpapakopy. If you want to copy, go for Olivier Danvel. Olivier Danvel. Alright, so Olivier Danvel, I will recommend him if you go out. At least mag-invest kayo kay Olivier. Alright, so Olivier, kahit pula ng market, mag-ano yan siya. Magpa-positive yan siya. Very, very consistent trader right here. So, at least mag-copy trade kayo dito. Or at least tumutubo ang pera ninyo. Right, with Olivier. Okay? So, at least punta kayo sa mga low-risk na traders in this kind of market. So, yun isang tip ko dapat sasabihin sa inyo. What can we do on these kinds of market? And then may tanong kanina kung lalabas ba lahat ng position. So, talk more about that. Dapat ba ilabas ang position ninyo in this kind of market, right? So, let me write this question down para hindi natin makalimutan. Okay, so Michael Cemento, good morning Sir Lloyd. Raul Jordan, good morning. Good morning din. Edgar Galang, nabasa na natin to. Kaloy, 62, good morning po. Good morning. Joseph Tanel, Sir Lloyd, negative 20 na copy trade ko. Do you suggest the post copy? Ano po pros and cons nung post copy? It depends who are you copying? Is he trading stocks? If he is focused on stocks, then most probably it will be good if ever you post lang muna or stop copying, right? But if ever diversified naman siya to commodities, to forex, to Bitcoin, then that should not be a problem because maka-counter naman yan kay gold. Grabe ang bullish ni gold ngayon because the markets are dropping. Alam niyo po, I discussed this before, right? Meron akong video if you wanna watch it. If the market crashes, what can you do? How can you earn if the market crashes? I have a video about that. Maybe I'm gonna post about it in the Billionaires Club today. Sige, share ko ulit sa Billionaires Club para sa page ko para makita nyo po saan kayo pupunta if ever magka-crash ang market. Because we were expecting the markets to crash already. Sobrang mahal na. I told you I'm not gonna go aggressive in stocks anymore kasi nakakatakot na sobrang taas niya. And there it is. Sobrang steep ng pagbaba naman ng stocks ngayon. So we were safe during the downtrend. Hindi tayo natamaan, 'di ba? Post copy depends. It really depends on the trader na kinokopya ninyo. Emerald, good day sir. It's been a while. I'm still holding MSFT sir. Sell na ba yung AMD? Yes, if ever natapos na yung tapos na yung uptrend niya, you have to sell it already. And tapos na po ang uptrend ni MSFT. Dapat nabenta nyo na dito pa lang. When it broke MA20, sabi sa inyo, mabagsak na ang stock. So, you should have sold it already. Yung AMD ko na hit na stop loss ko, hindi ko nakapagbukas na pulahan na pala. Yes, dapat nagbenta na kayo before the market drop. Episode last Monday, if you check out the last episode last Monday, I did warn you, is it a bad time for stocks? Yes, it was a bad time for stocks already on Monday. Dapat binenta nyo na last Monday. Yeah, I would say Emerald, ibenta nyo na muna tapos na ang trend. Respect the trend, respect what the charts are telling you. Now we are on a possible reversal na to. Most probably, yes, it's already a reversal. We're seeing lower highs, lower lows. Wala pa tayong high, but there's a previous lower high here, but above pa naman yan MA20. But definitely, tapos na yung trend niya right here. Okay, so, yun. Sir, yung mga stocks kapag X-date, tumataas po ba? Good day po. Hindi po, kabaliktaran. Pag X-date, usually bumababa yan kasi may mga tao na habol ang dividends lang. Right? So, sa X-date, pwede nila kunin ang dividends, qualified na sila for dividends, so there's no reason for them to hold the stocks anymore. So, they're gonna sell it. Michael Sarmiento, good morning, Sir Lloyd. Pwede po ba ang copy trade si Arfe? The sad thing about Arfe is a personal trader. He does not let people copy him. Why? Because kahit na magpakopya siya, Arfe, let's open Arfe's page. Arfe 1976, this is his portfolio, 750%. If you check out his statistics, makita niyo po ang risk score niya, max 10. Right? Sobrang taas ng risk score ni Arfe. And I want to share this to you. Si eToro kasi, hindi nila ina-allow na kopyahin nyo ang mga high-risk investors. Bakit? Because hindi nyo po maintindihan ang galaw ng portfolio nila. Yes, you will appreciate the 750% pag nakopya nito. But are you gonna appreciate the negative 100% noong October niya? No, right? So, very volatile ang positions. I mean, very volatile ang trading nito. Look at the daily drawdown, negative 100%. Nagne-negative 100% siya in a day, yung ibang positions niya. So, hindi nyo po maintindihan yan. And then, it's gonna be a very rough roller coaster ride sa mga newbies na magkakapi sa kanya. Hindi nyo maintindihan yung negative support ninyo. So, hindi nyo maintindihan yung trading style niya. Right? Iba kasi ang trading style ni Arfis. That's why, eToro does not let you copy traders with very high risk. If you want to know Arfis trading strategy, join the webinar this March 7 para maintindihan niyo po ang trading strategy niya. How is he doing it? Alam niyo po ba na ang leverage ni Arfi is 100%, right? I talked to Arfi about it, about his strategy. Naka 100 yung yung leverage niya. That's why you are able to see these kinds of climbs, right? But he has a very good rationale in why he uses 100 leverage. Kasi if you ask me, I will not let you copy trade with 100 leverage. I will not let you trade with 100 leverage, right? Pero iba yung strategy ni Arfi. Kakaiba yung strategy niya. So I want you to hear out Arfi's strategy, ano yung mga sources niya and why he's confident with it. And it's up to you if you wanna follow his strategy after. Excuse me. Sorry about that. Ang ingay ng mga aso ko. Ang liliit pero ang very brave little guys. Anyways, yan. You will understand more about Arfi's strategy on the episode, on the webinar on March 7. So please do join it. If you join that, makaka-join din kayo sa webinar natin with RB Necesito. Both are for free. Different strategies. I want you to appreciate the fundamentals behind how they do the trade. Arfi is very fundamentalist. He's more into a long-term position. Meron silang mga bodega phase and then meron silang mga positions na pang yun yung pang trade talaga. So meron silang base sila Arfi. So iba yung strategy nila, more into fundamentals, which is paying out so far, right? Other traders may not appreciate that. So if you want scalping naman, we have the webinar with RB Necesito, which is how you scalp gold. Pwede rin naman doon, right? So iba-iba ang strategy. So please register sa webinar dyan po sa baba, and you can gain access to both webinars already. That's for free. All you need to do is create an eToro account using my link. And by the way, check out your eToro na eToro na ports, right? Tingnan niyo po yung portfolio ninyo, yung real portfolio ninyo, and go to real, and then punta kayo sa history, and then makikita niyo po diyan ang compensation. Meron kayong dapat na $50 na compensation na natanggap, right? So please check it out. Meron na kayong $50 na compensation. Congratulations. Right? Congratulations po sa inyo. Excuse me. Yan, bonus na yan. Alright, sa mga hindi pa nagfa-fund, sabihin ko na ba? hindi, bawal pa sabihin but join the webinar. Right? Join the webinar, register in the webinar. Meron po kami sorpresa. I'll just term it as a surprise for you. Meron pa tayong sorpresa sa inyo during the webinar sa mga hindi pa nakapag-fund. Alam niyo na yun. So, please do join the webinar. So, at least may bonus kayo. Right? eToro has been very appreciative with us. Kaya, during the webinar, when they knew that there are 300, right? Nasa 300 na po naka-register. So, they knew that it was gonna be big. And, ayun po. They're gonna give us bonus. So, this is for everyone. Right, that's to explain why Arfi cannot be copied. Okay? So, ngayon, let's go to the topic. If you just see Nasdaq NSDQ 100, right? So Nasdaq 100 sobrang bagsak ng index, right? PSEI dropped with a massive, with a big gap down. Let me load my chart layout. Okay, so PSEI, let me just make it bigger. PSEI, massive drop with a gap down and closed at 7187. We are still expecting the markets to drop. Why? Because of, alam niyo po, di ba? Possible pandemic na ang COVID-19. So, medyo, because of that scare, the markets are dropping. Isa po yan sa massive causes of drop, right? And if the international market is dropping, it's showing us na meron pong panic in the international market and especially sa stocks sa US market. So, ang mangyayari po niyan is people who are investing in the stocks, alam po nila stocks are gonna go down. PSEI is gonna go down. Right? Most probably is gonna go down. So, because the market is pulling back in the US, it's dropping. People will be transferring their money. And sadly, Philippine stock market is not a safe haven. Hindi po siya taguan ng pera kung magka-collapse ang market, saan nila ilalagay ang pera nila. Right? This is the reason why si gold, sobrang taas na ni gold, is because people are transferring their funds here. Okay? So, if you ask me saan maganda ilagay ang pera ngayon, Sir Lloyd, I would say, if you know how to trade, then trade it with gold. Right? If you know how to trade, sa gold kayo mag-trade. Kasi uptrend ang gold ngayon. And it has a very strong possibility that it might reach 2,000 according to sources. Right? So, maganda i-trade si gold ngayon. Trading. Right? I don't want you to hold it because sobrang taas na nito. Noon sana nung massive drop ni gold, this was the best time to hold gold nung na-hit siya ng 1,200. Sobrang mura na yung gold na yan. I did mention that one before na gold was in its a very strong support when it reached 1,200 right here. So, sobrang mura na ng area na yan for gold. There was a massive ascending triangle for gold. So, it was bullish still kahit may resistance for gold. Right? So, gold is the place to trade right now. Even si oil bumabagsak ay you can trade oil pero pwede nyo pong i-short sell ito, right? Nagda-downtrend siya. Why? Travels are dropping, right? If nakasakay kayo ng eroplano ngayon for international, mapapansin nyo po, sakay ng eroplano, pwede pa kayong humiga sa 3 upuan, right? Travels are dropping. So, meaning fuel consumption is dropping. Ang mga big cities sa China, halos lahat ng halos lahat ng cities naka-lockdown. So, fuel consumption is really down, right? So, pag maliit ang demand, you know that supplies go up, law of supply and demand. So, malaki ang supply ngayon, kaya nagpapamurahan ng oil. So, oil is dropping. You can sell oil to earn, right? Pwede nyo pong i-trade si oil naman. Pag nag-collapse ito ng support, look at this right here. This is the support of oil. Pag nag-collapse yan, pwede nyo po i-short sell yan. Yes, Roderick, sir, how to register sa webinar? Diyan po sa video description, may video description po itong live na ito. Meron po dyan seminar link, and yan, you can go to my Facebook page, Financial Freedom 101. Go to my Facebook page if mahirapan kayo dito. Go to my Facebook page. This is one right here. Pinakauna nyo po makikita yan. May poster dyan na may poging picture ni Arfi. Yan, andyan po yung registration link right here. So, please register here. Okay? Requirements for the registration is create an eToro account using my link if wala pa kayong eToro. That is our way to make the seminar for free, right? May bumati ko sa akin dati na nagma-market lang kay eToro, etc. Right? We can make this webinar na may bayad, but we prefer free na lang, right? And eToro has been helping us to create these videos for free, create webinars for free, kaya hindi nyo na kailangan magbayad. Plus, may bonus pa. So, namibigay kami in the end. So, anyways, ayun. Sir, bakit may question dito? Roderick, sir, sent you PM, right? So, babasahin ko po yan ngayon. Sir, bakit pag nag-gap down opening, lumalagpas pa rin sa stop loss na nakaset? Sir, pag nag-gap down sa opening, lumalagpas pa rin na sa stop loss na nakaset. Alright, depende. Pag nag-gap down yan, bumabagsak pa yan eh, right? So, if it drops even further and then hits your percentage stop loss, so pag nag-gap down, nakapasok ka, ay hindi eh. Kasi, pag nag-gap down, if ever nakapasok ka na, tapos nag-gap down, you're losing money. Right? You are losing money because you bought, for example, ito, sino ba yung nag-gap down na stock? Let's say Google. Nag-gap down ba si Google? Google. Ayan, so nag-gap down. So let's say for example, pinasok niyo sa 1.5 si Google, 'di ba? So 1.5 and then nag-gap down siya. So basically you're losing money from this down to here. Hit talaga yung stop loss nyo. Ang problema lang nito, if dito yung stop loss ninyo around this, let's say this line, 1,450 ang stop loss ninyo, walang mabibenta dyan sa stop loss na yan eh. So pag nag-gap down siya dito nyo mabibenta talaga yan. So mas malaki ang matatalo sa inyo kahit dito yung stop loss nyo sa gap down. So these are instances that you need to think about also sa stop loss nyo. I think you can add caption to your YouTube video so you can have foreign viewers. I am happy to help. This is Gary Vincent de la Cruz, right? So, alam niyo po ba na noon nagsimula ako ng English because I was happily catering to international viewers also, pero nabatikos tayo. So most probably in the future we are gonna be transitioning to the international market and go to English. No need to caption. I'm gonna be we will be transitioning to international market soon. So, yes, we will be talking English in the future. Pero binatikos ako noon. Dahil dyan, napaka-konyo ko daw. Pasensya na, I am a Cebuano. I had to learn Tagalog. Hirap kami mag-Tagalog, I tell you. Kahit national language natin yan. Because sa school namin, iisa lang ang subject na Tagalog. Filipino lang. So, mas exposed kami sa English. Kaya, medyo mahirap talaga mag-Tagalog. But we know how to speak Tagalog nonetheless. Alam ko po paano magsalita ng Tagalog. That's why I'm doing this for you. Then again, yes, captions maybe, translation may be good maybe a good viable solution for that. Kaso nga lang, I do videos almost every day, so creating captions will be very hard for me. Pwede ako magbayad pero mahal. Right? Libre lang mga videos ko. So, I don't earn much from YouTube kasi maliit lang ang channel ko. Right? So, anyways, basically, ito YouTube na ginagawa ko is is service. Right? Maybe in the future, going English will be a good, good solution for that. Anyways, let's go back to the topic. So, stock market is still dropping. So, what do you do with your stock market? May tanong kanina, sir, dapat po ba lumabas muna sa lahat ng positions? Should we exit from our entries in the market? All right? So, the answer is it depends. Right? It depends. Don't worry. It depends because it depends on the reason why you're holding the stock and how much are you holding it, right? How much did you enter and what is the amount you entered? Are you gaining from it? Yes or no, right? So if you are holding it and you are gaining from it already and then nagpo-pull back na siya ngayon, you should sell some of it, right? If your purpose of holding the stock is for long term and you just want, anyways, okay lang kasi my plan is to accumulate more of these stocks, then selling is not. Maybe sell some of it and then use the money to buy more at the bottom when the market stabilizes. That should be the best option for you. Sayang din naman if hindi natin alam saan magbo-bottom ito. So you can sell some of it, sell half of it you can, and then once the market bottoms out, creates a support or shows signs of reversal, then use that money to buy more of the same stock. That's a much better option for you. Right? If pinasok nyo sa taas, kakapasok nyo lang sa taas and it's starting to go against you, you can sell it for now because the market, you have to respect the trend of the market. You can sell it, so you can sell it and then just do a re-entry once the market stabilizes. We're still expecting for the stocks to drop. Grabe, pulahan ng market last night sa international market. We're expecting for that drop to trickle down on the local markets. So please expect another red for PSE. Michael Charmento, sir, Tagalog na lang. Sean for si Sir Lloyd, napanood ko yung mga lumang vids mo, slang mo pa doon, medyo pa cool effect. Ngayon, so much better. Mas naging sincere na at mature. It's not about being slang or pa cool effect. It's just that hirap ako magtagalog noon. So, I've been visiting Manila for quite a while and then nakikipag-usap. Hirap pa rin ako hanggang ngayon, but nakikipag-usap sa mga you know me, I talk to people, I respond to people here in my Facebook page as much as I can. I even do video calls to people who inquires for investment advices, and those are for free. So I create I video calls. So, shout out to those mga na video calls ko na. I do video calls to people and kinakausap ko po sila in Tagalog na kasi mga karamihan mga Pinoy, mga OFWs. So I talk to them about their finances, ano ba yung pwede natin gawin, and meron iba na for business advices, investment advices. So I do video call. Kaya along the way, I've been in YouTube, I've been talking to people for almost 4 years now, right? So that was enough time for me to practice my Tagalog. Kaya mas sanay na ako mag-Tagalog ngayon. Kumpara noon, nagsisimula pa lang ako na hirap talaga ako mag-Tagalog. Hindi po pa cool yun. Just that, hirap talaga ako mag-Tagalog noon. Coach Mac, chart please. Thanks. Pag-uusapan pa natin. Mas magaling ka na po managalog ngayon. Oo nga eh. Right? Thank you so much for the appreciation. Right? Ayun. Markets, yung tanong kanina, if lumabas ba muna sa lahat ng positions. If your positions are for trading positions, dapat wala kayong trading positions ngayon. I don't recommend trading in the market right now. I don't, even in the international market, I don't recommend trading stocks right now. So, if you are in a stock for trading purposes as much as possible, if ever it's going against you, please stop your, hit your stop loss. If hindi pa naman hit na stop loss, hold it still. Baka umakyat pa yan. Pero, if it's trading position and if it's going down, then sell it. Right? If it's for long term, pwede nyo pong bawasan and just buy more when the stock stabilizes if it's on a downtrend right now. Much better if ever, mamaya kayo magdagdag if ever pataas na. Good morning, Sir Lloyd. Good morning, everyone. Maganda po mag-international market. You can earn many ways, uptrend or downtrend, may opportunity. Yes, in the international market, you see right now, Google is going red, right? So, pag nag-bounce yan and then pumula ulit, then you can short this actually. Pwede kayong kumita even if magda-down to the international market. We're expecting for a massive downturn for the international market because of the corona scare, and plus it's oversold, so it's a perfect storm for it to drop. Shorting, you can earn in the international market through shorting still. Okay? So, diretso ka na mag-Tagalog, sir. Hindi pa rin diretso. Ay, nabubulol pa rin ako minsan. Right? Medyo hirap pa rin. But anyways, we're improving. Constant improvement is our way of life. Never stop improving. Yon. So that's one of my points for the international market. If it's a trading stock, if it's a trading position, dapat hindi kayo nagte-trade sa PSE right now. Investing lang or accumulation, right? If accumulation meaning magbodega kayo, buy some now. If it goes further down, which I think most probably it will, then just buy more. Hanap kayo ng mga stocks ng mga gandang companies na mura na ngayon, and yun po ay accumulate ninyo. Okay? Do not speculate as much as possible. No speculations on this kind of market so far. Speaking of that, ISM is a speculative stock. So please, kung mag-speculate man kayo, wag kayo mag-all in, please, right? Do not go all in, never go all in, right? So please, wag kayo mag-all in. If you wanna buy some, then you can, because if you wanna speculate, just buy some, right? Wag po masyadong malaki, so that if goes further down, then you can buy more. Okay? Even in other companies like JFC is on a downtrend right now. So JFC, so ang gagawin niyo po kay JFC, if wala pa kayong Jollibee, right? Jollibee, nagda-downtrend siya. Basically, it's a support right here. Pag nag-green ito si Jollibee, then you can buy some. Buy some, konti lang, right? Konti lang ang bilhin niyo muna. And then, if it goes further down, then buy another, let's say, sa budget mo, 10%, bilhin mo ngayon, or 10-20%. Sa next yung pagbagsak, another 20%. Mamaya na kayo mag-all in pag uptrend na siya. Okay? So, that's what you do. Nicolas, how about sa eToro copy trade, sir, ng negative na, kailangan na ba i-stop? Don't worry about that. Pullbacks are bound to happen, even on people that you're copying. Let's say, for example, Mariano Pardo. I'm expecting Mariano Pardo to do a pullback in his positions. Yung stats niya, Ayan, so 1% na lang, right? He was up around almost 6% for February, but because of the pullback of the market, is there. But I tell you, these guys know what they're doing, right? Well, do not think for short term for copy trading. The guys know what they're doing, so should be okay. You don't have to stop your copying on copying these people unless meron kayong stop loss for copy trading nyo. So if meron kasi stop loss dito, right? Meron itong stop copying if copy value drops below 510. For example, I put in $1,000 dito. I will edit this if ever kung gusto ko $200 lang i-risk ko sa 1,000 ko. So if it drops $800, then my copy will automatically end. So that's how you manage risk here. These people already have risk managements, right? Meron silang risk management plans on their trading. So yung secondary na lang na risk management, no, you don't have to treat them as treat people as stocks, right? They already have risk management of their own, so you don't have to stop your copying from them. They will earn even in this bearish market. It's just that they're adjusting their positions as of the moment. Okay, nag-adjust pa yun ng mga positions nila, so you don't have to stop them. I'm copying Libor Basa. Tingnan nga natin ito si Libor Basa. Kamusta na yung trading niya. Libor Basa, negative 0.99. Sobrang liit pa niyan. Liit lang, negative 1% lang yan. So, that's okay still. Libor Basa, still positive for the month. Last year, he's up 36.20. So, that's very good, right? Give them a slack, right? Hindi naman perfect traders yung mga yan. There will be months na pula sila, but those will be there will be mahihila yan ng mga positive months sila, right? So think if you're copy trading, think long term. Do not think for just 1 month yung performance nila, right? You can't judge a trader just for 1 month worth na performance nila, okay? So yun, ngayon anong dapat gawin natin sa market kasi pulahan ng market? Huwag muna mag-trade. Please, no trading. Only accumulation is the best strategy right now. Let the markets drop and then start accumulate when it stabilizes. Okay? So, buy some. Until na pag settle na yung market, then marami ka ng jolen na hawak. And then when the market reverses, then you are in a very, very good position. Right? Kaya po, averaging down is a very good strategy right now. If ever, because these are the stocks are very cheap right now. Amil Angelo, Sir Lloyd, you can make multiple accounts sa eToro, di ba? Different email ad ba yun? And personal contact numbers. Same personal contact numbers, but it has to be a different email address, right? No need to change a contact number, right? Kasi sa'yo rin naman yan eh. And yes, you can create multiple accounts. Sa March 7, you can use a different account to register if you want to. Kung meron na kayong different account para makuha niyo yung bonus. Char lang. Para, yun eh. I wanna be honest with you. Whenever may promotion, I create a different account. $50 din yan. Sayang, di ba? So, and pinafund ko rin and kinakopy trade ko na rin lang. Sayang eh, di ba? So, create multiple accounts if you can. Meron akong account sa mama ko, meron akong account sa daddy ko, meron akong account kay Apple, 2 account ko. Then you can create accounts for your daughters, your brothers, etc. para multiple accounts kayo. And then you personally you can create multiple accounts din naman. Nico Lance noted, sir, thank you. Negative 20 yung stop loss ko, malayo pa naman. People are just the copy traders are adjusting their positions accordingly. They have their own risk management, so you have to trust the traders. Okay. So ngayon is ano pa ba yung sasabihin ko about the stock market? Alright, so again, no trading for stock market accumulation. And then if you wanna trade, doon kayo sa gold ngayon or oil or the volatile stocks. Pwede na naman po i-short. Okay? I have a video about what to do if the market collapses. Magandang investments ngayon. You can diversify diversify into different investments, right? This massive pullback should teach you a lesson about diversification na wag lang po sa stock market nag-i-invest. I talked to countless Filipinos already. Ang pinakaunang investments nila is stock market kaagad. Wala pa ngang insurance. Dapat may insurance kayo very first. Stock market should be considered as at the last portion of your investments. Bakit? Because what the money we put in stock market is money we can afford to lose. That is how you remove attachment and emotion sa stock market. Kasi dapat yung perang linalagay nyo dito, money you can afford to lose. Okay? Pag-ibig MP2, you should appreciate this because during this kind of market, ma-appreciate nyo yung MP2 because while the markets are going down, economy of the country is going up. Okay? Filipinos are spending, so investments are very good. Real estate is booming. So government investments are very good. Economy of the government is going up even if stock market is dropping. Right? So hindi po kasi proportional yan. So you should invest in the government also. Okay? Bonds, government bonds are very good. Pag-ibig MP2, SSS is very good right now. So, please do diversify into this. I recommend MP2 program because it's shorter term. 5 years lang ang holding. So, yes, I hope you appreciate that. Right? Appreciate diversification to other investments right now. Right? So, since markets are dropping, use this time to learn other investments. Okay? Wala pong opportunity sa PSEI right now. If hindi pa kayo marunong mag-trading, so mag-copy trade lang muna kayo. So you have time to learn. Please learn more about other investments. So with that, the next coming days, since pulahan naman ang market, the next coming days, we're gonna be talking about other investments, right? We're not gonna focus on the stock market for the meantime. So at least matulungan ko po kayo sa other investments ninyo if you wanna venture into other investments. I've already talked so much about MP2 program. We are gonna be reviewing that next coming days. And then also kayo, you have to, pag-usapan, dapat may MP2 na kayo. Pag-usapan natin other forms of investments na you can venture in. Maybe businesses you can start. Okay? Yun yung pag-usapan natin. I cannot recommend any stocks right now because, it's down. Right? We will not be recommending stocks. Meron nag-request kanina about MAC. So, let's check out MAC. Right? So, if you wanna go charting still in this kind of market, sige, we still have time to do charting. So, MAC Croatia, very cheap right now. So, okay naman yung pinapakita niya. But, trader ang market ngayon. Right? Pag ganito kasi, ang market na bearish, walang technical analysis na sinusunod yan, right? It might drop still, right? Mas malaking chances kasi na matalo if the markets are if the market is bearish. But then again, look at Macro Asia, meaning wala na nagbebenta. Pataas na yung RSI niya even at this level. So, wala nagbebenta as of the moment. But with the developments in the international market, that's a factor where investors might sell. Ayoko muna baka dati kasi ayoko benta kasi murang-mura na. But with what is happening in the market right now, what is happening globally, people will get scared and they wanna go cash. So, may position ako dito, ibenta ko na lang muna kasi nakakatakot. So, mas malaki yung chances na magbenta pa rin na tao. Yun yung trader factor ng bearish na market. Samboy, isa kayo sa hindi makasariling coach. Salamat, sir. God bless po. Thank you so much. Happy to help po. Macro Asia, technically speaking, it's looking well. Just a trader market. So, accumulation tayo dito. I can say, yes, buy this. I will recommend this because it's very cheap already, but it can go cheaper still. Right? Pwede pang magmura ito because of the market. So, you buy some, and then in the future, kasi sobrang mura na ito, baka magmura pa lalo, then buy some more on a lower level, and then buy some more. And then that's your accumulation period. Once you have accumulated many, stock markets will, right, magre-recover po yan. Pag nag-recover ng market, I tell you, you're gonna be in a very good position and you are gonna be celebrating once the market starts to go up. Hindi yung, umakyat ng market, sa kanyo hahabulin. Wala na, huli na. Diba? So, accumulate. Mary's Canovides, thank you, sir, sa mga advices. God bless you. You're welcome po. Right, so, yes, maybe that's the episode for today, most probably, because I just really want to warn you guys, please do not trade right now in the market. And next coming days, right? Bukas, and the next coming days, we are going to be talking about other investments that you can concentrate on. This is the perfect time to pause on stock market muna. If you want to learn how to day trade, Yes, this is a good avenue. This is a good time to learn how to day trade. But hindi po tayo lahat pinagkalooban ng oras at ng tolerance ng day trading. Day trading is not for everyone, especially sa mga trabaho na. So if you have jobs, as much as possible, wag muna kayo mag-day trade. Mag-copy trade na lang muna kayo. But for those who wants to learn how to day trade kasi may oras naman kayo and you're willing to learn, join the webinar this March 7. It's for free. Just register right there. Create an eToro account using my link. It's for free. Okay? So, expect very good episodes the next coming days. Hindi po muna tayo sa stock market mag-uusap. Okay? We'll talk about other investment forms. And I'm gonna be preparing good materials for you guys. That's it for today. I'll see you again tomorrow. Definitely, we will still have the daily grind as much as possible. As long as it's a working day, we will have an episode for the daily grind for you guys. If you have any investments na you want to talk about in the future, may tanong kayo, post it in the comments, send me a message sa Financial Freedom 101 so we can talk about it and I can give you my 2 cents about it. Bye everyone, I'll see you tomorrow. Let's get rich together. Ingat po! Ay, nga pala, sa Rome, yung Rome, nagkakagulo na. Mga kapatid natin OFWs, sa mga affected kay COVID, please do take care of yourselves. Not only from the virus, but protect yourselves from the violence. Ang dami kasi ngayon nagiging violente. So, right. I feel for you guys, so konting ingat po. And stay safe, and stay healthy. Bye po. Baka pwede po topic ang crypto, what you need to know. Sige, Joseph Tanel, crypto is looking good right now. So yes, sige, pag-usapan natin bukas. Tomorrow, we're gonna be talking about crypto. What you need to know about crypto. Okay. At least may episode na tayo tomorrow. Bye everyone! Abangan nyo po.